Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are partnering again with EayonHair, and I'm going to show you guys how I installed these Boho crochet locks. Pretty simple, very easy. Literally took me less than 3 hours. Let's say 2 hours 30 minutes the most. That's what it took me to get these done. Like, come on, stay tuned. This is the 26. These are gonna be the 26-inch body wave. So 26-inch body wave, and EayonHair, you know the vibes. The last time they sent me like 3, and I think one half, let me see, I don't remember. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 21, 22, 24. Look like one half 25, and the last time they sent me 3, and the 3 couldn't do. I needed a little bit more, so this time I get 4. So we're gonna make the 4 work. It should work, and this is it. 26 inches. Yeah, you get it. They also give you crochet. That's something here for help you out. So this is the hair. And you have the loop, a loop or a hoop, what name? This right here. I like to stretch it out sometimes, skin it out. You understand? So that's what we have. And this is the crochet needle. So for this side, we're going down. One at a time. I think I was going up, but that's no. We're going down. So to this side we go down this way, and then we reach this side we go down this way. Okay. So start off with this. There should be 2. Let's go here, and we go down. We're gonna take this, that's what one, the hoop, the loop, and we're going to put it on the hook. We're going to close the hook. We're going to push it through. See that? All right. There, that's it. We're going to take this again and push it through the hoop, the loop. I need to know this something. I'm too disgusting. When I say hoop, hula hoop. Hoop, yeah. I know hula loop. Anyways, so this, we're going to take any part of this you want. You can come here, so yes, it don't matter. I'm gonna hook it right here, and then always close the hook. Always. It's like here I catch a fish. I'm not sure. Alright, we're not going at that. So close the hook. Now this way they push it through the hoop, the loop. Wait. Open. So go back. Hook. Close. And we're pushing, we're taking it through this. And then just pull it through and go like this to tighten it. And that's literally it. That's what we're doing. That's all we're doing. Zoom. Let's do the other one. Stretch her out. See that? Make sure you get bigger. Push the crochet downwards. Put it on the hoop. Close it. Always close it. If you don't close it, there's gonna be a struggle. Push it through. What I'm not going. Give me a second. So bam. Push it through. There we go. Put this back in at the hoop. You don't have to take it out. Just through the tutorial, because it's in there. Take part of the hair. Close it. Hold she so, and push it through she, like so, and then boom, tighten, wait, tighten, there we go. And that's all we're doing. So it is 8:52, which means 2 hours. So I have 1 more hour. I said, wait, what time did I start? Oh shit, what time did it start again? 7 o'clock? I don't remember. It's 8:52 and I have hair left. I did like the perimeter Wait, what am I do? Ah! Sorry. Go. Like all of this side, most of the back, I have 1.5 of the hair left, and I said let me do the front first and then we can fill in the back. You understand? So I'm gonna start off with this part and then the halfway left, whatever. Anyways, I found that easier way, a faster way. I may wonder why I never think of this. Let me show you. This is the hair. You know I told you guys to like go like this for like stretch it out just to make it easier for like pull through and all of that. An easy way to do it, here's the hair, slide this down. So try to slide the top down and it gets bigger. I promise it normally easier. Let me try a different one. I don't know. So this is it. See that? Slide the top down and you have this. No, I never always think of that, but anyways, that's that. So I'm gonna start this side, and also I think I did tell you guys that it's 25 hairs in one pack. It's actually 24. Not a big difference, but I just wanted to correct that. You see, when I do these hair videos, there isn't much, like I can't take the excessive talking. I already showed you guys like what we're doing, and after showing you an example, it's basically repetition. We're just doing the same thing over and over and over. What is there to talk about? You know? I don't know. Because if I wanted to like learn something, do a style real quick, I go on YouTube. I just want to see the tutorial. I don't want to hear the chattings and just show me what to do and that's it, please. Alright, hey guys. Why I keep hey guys. Anyways, the hair is done. The face is beat. I need to make some like makeup YouTube videos. What? Yeah, that makes sense. Anyways, I am just gonna spray. I wish I had mousse, but I don't have any. So I have the sea salt spray that kind of works like a mousse, I think. So I'm just gonna spray this on the curls and do my favorite style, which is updo, and that's really it. This style is really for those that don't have the time, or maybe those that don't have the money, because I highly believe, I know for a fact that Crush did this Locs and one lollipop of money. I remember wanting to do Locs for 3 years. I couldn't do it for two at Jamaica, 15,000, 10,000. I don't have it. I couldn't do it. It wasn't until my sister, cousin, whatever, she's a hairdresser, she came to Jamaica and she did. That's the first I've ever had Locs, and I wanted to do it for 3 years. So it's very, very expensive. However, this would be a cheaper path to take, and you still get the look for it, and you save time. So if you ask me, do. I'm gonna have everything linked in the description. Everything of the link in the description. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and also you can follow me on Instagram. Again, everything is going to be in my description. Just read through and whatever. I really want to show you guys the length, but I have to stand and I can't. But it is 26 inches, so it is definitely touching this fat ass. Yes, it is 26 inches.